Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My Beauty Creations little haul is like a super mini haul. Let's just admire the beauty that is Beauty Creations. Look how cute this box is. It even has a little designed fragile sign on it. How cute. So considerate and super adorable. Okay, so as you guys probably have heard by now, Yvette XO and a whole bunch of other people have went on this campaign with Beauty Creations for a new foundation. The foundation itself is about $12, I believe. Oh my gosh, you guys, look how cute this box is. Oops. Packaging, you guys know I love things that come in cute packages. Like, come on, this is adorable. This is a little card that came inside of it. It says treat yourself. That's right. Everybody should be able to treat themselves. Oh, I love the hearts. Let's see here. I did buy two lipsticks as well. The first one I got was a Longwear matte lip gloss, which I didn't understand at first because I was like, is it matte or is it like a lip gloss? But I guess we'll find out. And this one is called Bay, and it's like this really peachy pink nude, I guess you can say, which is like a darker version of that. It's still peachy but just not as light, and this one is called Naked. I think it's super pretty. I like the fact that they come completely sealed. They have this plastic around it. Okay, so when you get your foundation, it is completely wrapped. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Completely wrapped to the T. And let's just open this up. Perfect, because we don't want a broken foundation. Oh my gosh. Look how cute this is. It's super small. Like, I think it's a really good size to even travel with. Usually travels 3.4 fluid ounces. And look, it's 1.0. And I got the shade 4.5. And you can see the shade right there. Okay, so let me just read to you what the benefits of this foundation are. This is satin finish, oil-free, hydrating, which is great. Long wear, lightweight formula, vitamin E. So let's open her up. Oh my gosh, you guys, she's so pretty. Look how cute she is. It says to shake it really well, so I'm going to shake it really well and I'll be right back. On one side of my face, I'm going to apply the foundation with a beauty sponge. On the other side, I'm going to apply the foundation with a brush, just to see how it disperses and if I would prefer one or the other. First of all, I'm going to hydrate my face using the Cetaphil Hydrating Moisturizer. As you can see, I'm going to come up real close. I do have some blemishes going on. Had major crater face. That's from my period. Oh my gosh, and it's a pump action, which I absolutely love. I don't like to waste my product by having to pour out, so I love that this is an actual pump. I did about 2.5 pumps. And I'm going to take my beauty sponge and work it into one side of my face. Oh, it smells good. It smells like a moisturizer, but like a clean scent, kind of like better than Pond's. I don't know if you guys know what Pond's is, but it's a moisturizer. They have a whole bunch of beauty products out there. It smells clean, which I love. Okay, so as you can see, I have dark circles as well. Let's just see what this does for this face. So far, I like that it's not drying out as I'm working with it. That is great medium coverage. As you can see, from one side to the next, this has covered a lot. I'm going to go ahead again and add a little bit more product to this side to see how much coverage I can get out of it. Look at the difference it has already created. So far, my dark circles on this side are completely like close to non-existent. So hydrating. My skin looks healthy and fresh and like just like super hydrated, but not, it doesn't feel like oily or anything like that. It does go on really easily. It blends out really nicely. I don't have to like force it or grab more product. What I put on actually does enough for my face. It doesn't feel heavy at all. Like, I don't feel like I'm wearing 2 layers of foundation on this side. I'm just like, what did you guys do? This is so nice. It doesn't even feel like I have foundation on this side. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use my e.l.f. powder blurring brush, which I usually use with all of my foundations, and grab some foundation and brush it on. This is usually what I do whenever I do apply my makeup. I always brush it on. That took like less than a minute. I took the same amount of what was left over of the foundation that I placed on the mat. I do want to say, if you're in a rush, I feel like the brush will definitely work for you. If you want a nice even coverage and like, I don't know, just for it to blend better into the skin, it still feels great even with the brush. But if I want it to blend and melt into the skin more, I would just go ahead and use a beauty sponge instead. Beauty Creations, you did that. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my makeup, the rest of my face makeup, and I'll be coming right back so that I can show you guys the lipsticks. I think I'm going to go in with the darker shade of the two, and this is the shade Naked, and just apply it over top, I guess. So first I'm going to smell it. Ooh, it smells like, ooh, I don't know if you guys know the old-timey anime books that you used to write in with the pens that came with it from like the 99-cent store. It smells kind of like peachy, rosy. It's very fragrant. Let's try it out. Ooh, that's really pigmented. Wow. Ooh, I really like this. And this one is the shade Bay. Try to let this dry a little bit. It dries a little bit like sticky. The Bay in the center of my lips just to see what the shade looks like. I do like that it has a doe foot applicator and is very like sleek and slender. I feel like there's a lot of product in here. Yeah, they all smell the same. I want to put it in the center. I think I'm gonna use my finger to blend it out. Love the shades. They go on really nicely. Super pigmented, you guys. What you see on the website is actually what you get, so you won't be like misconstrued or like, oh, disappointed because it doesn't look like what it shows on the website. So this is what my face is looking like after I finished all of my makeup. I feel like this foundation is super lightweight. Like, it feels like I'm not wearing anything at all on my face. My foundation looks bomb. Like, I just want to know how it's gonna wear throughout the day, and I feel like it's not gonna move. It doesn't feel sticky at all. No, not sticky at all. Like, I love this foundation. I highly recommend Beauty Creations foundation. You guys need to really go ahead and check them out on their website, on their Instagram as well. Yeah, I'm so impressed by this. Like, and it's so affordable, and it just goes well with all the rest of my makeup pairings that I did today. My makeup was not transferred from one to the next. You know, using cream highlight and also cream blushes can get a little bit like muddy with your makeup, but everything has its place. Everything's in its place. Nothing is moving, and it looks so nice. Like, it looks so nice on my face, and the foundation match was perfect. It matches my skin perfectly. Like, you can't even tell that I'm wearing foundation, which is wonderful. If you want to be part of my family on here, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. It is free, obviously. And also like this video if you liked it. I mean, if you didn't like it, thumbs it down. If you loved it, thumbs up. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.